So, Mammy's so smart. I had her the day before yesterday, and she was not able to turn the toy on her own. I had to turn it for her. But now she's turning everything on her own if Mommy doesn't leave stuff out for her. There. Mammy.
Come over here.
Come this way, honey.
Come on in.
Come on.
There you go.
Good job, baby. Come on, sweetie. Come on.
Talented baby.
Problem solving, man.
Come on this way.
God, she's so smart.
Get that stuff out of the way.
Come on, honey. Good job. Wow.
Yay.
Good job, honey.
Hey, where'd it go? You gonna get Molly?
Get that dog. Get that dog. Good job, honey. Oh my God. Molly, what did you?
Get out of her way.
Good job, honey. Ow.
Everyone, get out of her way. The baby on a mission right here.
Good job, Mammy. You're so smart. Look at you. Come on, honey. There you go. Good job, baby. Mammy, come this way. Mammy.
Go see Mama.
Mammy. Come this way, honey. Shosho.
She figured out she can go wherever she wants.
Shosho. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. Yeah. Look at you. Oh my gosh. You kick butt, honey. This is a go-getter kind of gal.
Good job.
Oh, so sweet.
Look out, Molly. We're going to get you.
Look at her little tush. Oh my gosh.
She's so much better than she was even like the video I took the other day.
I really can't believe it. Like the day before yesterday, I had to move it around for her.
Yeah, me too. Yes, like direct it.
Good job, honey.
The strong arm she's been working on.